Hi, I'm Amber at WTI, and if you're somebody that does a lot of shipping like me, you need to make sure that your contents are protected. So this was a really great size. It is nice and thin, so it fits nicely in the slots, but it also protects what's inside. It helps because it's a little bit of a thicker material with the bubbles. It really helps to make sure my products don't get crushed. The material is really smooth and sleek. As you can see, I love to write on these with a gold marker or some other kind of marker, or I just affix a regular label because obviously you can't write on these with a Sharpie. The seal on this is really good. Once I tear this seal off and close it, it is not going to go anywhere. The seal is also very good for moisture. So as soon as this is sealed, there's no moisture that's going to get inside. So I know that my packages are nice and safe, and that it is waterproof. So nothing's going to be leaking anywhere inside this thing. I used to order different color envelopes, but now I just really love these ones. I think I'll always send them in these. And that is my point of view.